Okay, welcome back to For the Road. I'm Aaron, and yeah, this is my M2. Today I am shooting a two-part video actually. Firstly is 5 things I like about my M2 and 5 things I don't like about my M2. Split this up into 2 videos simply because of YouTube. I want to make more content, so yeah, try and see if I can get 2 10-minute videos out. That'd be great. I think that this video can help someone who perhaps looking into getting an M2, see what the ownership is like. I've had my car for nearly a year now, so I think I found what I like about the car, what I don't like about the car. Getting into running costs or the cost of the ownership of the car, I think this is can be quite relative to your perspective. Some people might think this is a cheap car, some people might think this is a very expensive car, so I don't really want to get into that right now. I feel like I say BMW M2 a lot. Should I just reference it to M2? Probably better. Still getting used to talking to a camera, and I'm still getting used to talking to camera whilst driving. But yeah, bear with me, I'll get better at it. Get back on topic. I had a 235i before with the ZF gearbox, so it was the auto. And it felt like something was missing, and I felt like the car wasn't quite tuned or sporty enough for my liking. In a straight line it was fast enough, especially for the roads I drive on. Because number one is practicality. You know, I need something that's practical, get to by day to day if I ever need to go out and do something. So I mean, the boot's pretty big, I can fit. I've never struggled to fit anything. I mean, the other week I was doing some decking in the garden and I had 2.4 metre decking boards. I mean, it just about hit, well, it just nearly hit the front window, but I mean, apart from that, it was fine. It didn't move around, or you know, it didn't damage anything. I've also had a double wardrobe. That was actually in the probably the 3rd or 2nd day that I actually had the car. So yeah, that was a bit scary. So yeah, bottom line is practical enough. Number 2 is the styling. So yeah, with the difference between the 235i and the M2, a lot of it was presence on the road. I mean, it's got a lot wider arches, it looks more aggressive. I'll roll some clips of what I mean. It does share a lot of parts from the M4, and including that is the wheels. I mean, I do particularly like the wheels. I'd probably change them for something else if I ever got round to it. I mean, they're quite pricey, but we'll see. It might be an option. Overall looks is a lot better. So number 3 is the sound. I mean, it sounds pretty good. A lot of people complain about the sound not being loud enough, and I do agree with that in a sense, because in the cabin you don't get to hear that 3 litre too well. But if you've ever got out the car and listened to the car be driven with some anger, and you know, it red lines at 7,000, so if you ever hear that, you know, it changed my opinion pretty quickly. So I'll demonstrate right now. I'll try and put it in Sport Plus. Another reason as to why the M3 sounds great. Revs out to 7,000 revs, which, you know, it's nice. It's got a nice grunt to it with it being a 3 litre. It has a twin scroll turbo on it, but I mean, 3 litres enough. The performance is number 4. When you're looking for a car that's fun, performance is a big factor in that. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the performance. Yeah, it's not the fastest. I mean, you can get, you know, if you look at its rivals, you know, it'd get beat by a Golf off the line maybe, and it might, you know, an RS3 will have it. There's a lot of other cars that will be quicker off the line, you know, but to me, it's not about those performance figures, it's how it's drive, how it feels, how it makes you feel, and yeah, it definitely ticks all the boxes for that. I mean, it's fast enough, but it's not fast enough where you'll be worried about using that power and going through the rev range. Very quickly goes over 100 miles per hour, and you're looking at, you know, your license being taken off for that. So yeah, you got to be careful. I haven't yet to take it out on track, but that will be coming soon. So yeah, let me know if you know any decent track days. I've never been on track before. I've done a lot of go-karting, but not actually on track, and I'm a bit hesitant with it, but I definitely want to do it. So let me know in the comments below what track day I should be looking for. A lot of people talk about Blyton Park. I want something that's pretty low risk, maybe on a weekday afternoon, and especially as the summer's tailing off now. Yeah, definitely something I'd like to do. So yeah, let me know. That'd be great. 5 ties into practicality in a way, but it's all the mod cons. It has heated seats for the winter, decent aircon for the summer. It's got Bluetooth stereo, which is, yeah, it's 2018, it's pretty standard and stuff, but you know, to me, if you're looking for something that's kind of like a sports coupe for this price range, and it needs to be practical, it needs to have all these things. It's got sat nav and automatic lights, automatic windows. It's got the Harman Kardon sound pack, which is pretty decent. I probably won't pay for it because, I mean, it's a 3 litre inline 6, so soundtrack in itself, and why would you want to listen to music? Might be the wrong thing to say, because I love music. But yeah, the sounds decent. So yeah, that's a wrap with that. That's 5 reasons why I like my M2, why I bought the M2, and why I still got the M2. Like I said earlier, this is a 2-part video, so I'll be releasing that soon. So keep an eye out. Already done so. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Yeah, and you'll be able to see the second part. Hopefully it should be quite soon. I've already recorded parts of it, so just need to do the finishing touches. Yeah, let me know why you like the M2. This is just my opinion, obviously. You could have a different one. You could agree with me, you could disagree with me. So yeah, I'd like to know. So let me know in the comments, and yeah, I'll take a look through it. Follow me on social media. You'll find me on Instagram as AaronFTR. I've left a handle in the video and also in the description. So yeah, come on over, give me a follow, leave me a comment. Do just say hi. A massive thanks for watching the video if you made it this far. It's really appreciative that you if you could leave a comment or if you like the video. Yeah, stay tuned for part 2, where I'll be discussing the other 5 reasons why I don't like my M2. Thank you.